Today, I'm putting Multiverse AI 3.0 to the test. The big question is, can one single dashboard finally replace all the tool hopping we do every day and still deliver results that are actually usable? This isn't just another sales page recap. We're going to run a real workflow test covering text, images, voice, and even video generation to see what it can really do. I'll also check its export speed, how it organizes files, and dig for any hidden limitations. So, what is Multiverse AI 3.0? It is pitched as a cloud-based dashboard where you can access and switch between different AI models for all your creative tasks, all from one central place. The main promise here is multi-model access. Instead of paying for a dozen different subscriptions, you can just pick the best model for whatever job you're doing right at that moment. Does it actually work? Let's find out. First things first, I'm creating a new project folder inside the dashboard. This is a small but critical feature. If everything I generate for this video stays organized in one spot, it's already a huge win for my workflow. Now for test 1, text generation. I need a script for a 60-second YouTube short. I'm looking for a strong hook, a clear and concise structure, and a solid call to action at the end. Let's see what the first model gives me, okay? That's a decent start. Now, I'll switch to another model right inside the same interface and run the same prompt. This is the core appeal, comparing outputs side by side without opening a new tab. The second one feels a bit more conversational. I think I'll go with that. Next up, test 2, image generation. For any video, I need visuals. I'll prompt it to create a thumbnail-style image, something bold and eye-catching. Then I'll generate a more cinematic B-roll style image. I'm looking for high resolution, clarity, and most importantly, I want to see if the downloads are clean, watermark-free, and ready to be dropped right into my editor. The results are pretty solid, and the downloads are indeed clean. On to test 3, voice generation. Let's see if we can create a quick 10-second voiceover. The real test here is whether it sounds natural or like a robot from the 90s. I'll generate the audio and listen closely for tone and inflection. It also needs to export in a usable format like MP3 or WAV. Okay, let's listen. It's definitely usable. Much better than some of the free tools out there, and the export was instant. And now, the big one, test 4, video. I'll check if direct video generation is available. If it is, I'll try to create a short, simple clip. If not, I'll test its ability to generate high-quality video prompts that I can take to a specialized tool like Google SVO or Kuaishou Kling. This is a key test even if it can't make the video itself. Creating a strong foundation for other tools is still incredibly valuable. It looks like direct video isn't live yet, but the prompts it's generating are detailed and well-structured, which is a great starting point. Now, let's talk about the glue that holds this all together, exporting and workflow features. A fancy dashboard is useless if you can't get your assets out quickly and easily. I'm testing the export speed right now, and it seems fast. The platform also talks about features like auto model selection, a turbo mode, and team collaboration. I am digging into the settings to see if these are genuinely functional or just marketing bullet points. The team features look promising for small agencies. They also advertise a done-for-you prompt library. Let's grab one and see what happens. I'll run a prompt for a viral social media post. The output is a bit generic, so you'll still want to add your own creative touch, but it's a decent starting point if you're stuck. A quick note on pricing. The sales page promotes a one-time price, which is always attractive. However, my review is based on what you actually get today. Always, and I mean always, check the fine print inside your account for usage limits, credit systems, and which models are currently available. These details can make or break the value of a deal. So, what's my final verdict? It's simple. If the outputs are strong, the exports are clean, and the usage limits are fair, a unified dashboard like this can genuinely save you a massive amount of time and money. It streamlines the creative process by keeping everything in one place. If you're tired of juggling 10 different tabs and subscriptions, this is definitely something to look at. If you want to check out Multiverse AI 3.0 for yourself, I've left a link down in the description. Just a heads up, some of the links in the description might be affiliate links, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.